Good morning, Clarence Nation. Today we are going to Animal Kingdom. I'm already all packed. So it's like 7:10. I'm gonna eat, and then at 7:45 we need to do like room checks to show that it's all clean. But yeah, Clarence Nation, we just got our room checked. Okay, Clarence Nation, me and Nicole just got our first visit pins. Feeling so cool. First day of the trip, but you know, it works. Now we are on our way to Exhibition Everest. Heck yeah. Okay, Clarence Nation, we are in line for Exhibition Everest. It is going pretty fast. The line was only 30 minutes, so we're going to get through this fast. I'll let you know how it is after we get through. But, like, the waiting rooms are really cool. I'll show you. Like, it's like a whole... I love how Disney, like, does everything for all the rides. Clarence Nation, we have made it! Yeah. Okay, Clarence Nation, we got these Mickey Mouse cinnamon rolls. They drizzled caramel and frosting on them. So let's get this taste test here. And I got an apple juice. Oh, I guess the whole ear is coming off. Oh, goodness. I'm good.
Hey guys, we've been waiting in this line for what's your watch say?
Like 40 minutes.
Okay, plus 10 because we started the watch like 10 minutes late. So we've been in this line for almost 50 minutes. My feet really hurt.
Half hour left.
I really hate when these lines have absolutely nowhere you can sit. Like muddy. I don't want to sit in the muddy grass over here. And I also can't sit on the rope because I'm too fat for that and I'm gonna break it. So like, what am I supposed to do? You just want me to like stand here for like an hour and a half and die? Like my feet can't do it. I have blisters everywhere. Well, I don't know. Stop bringing your strollers to Disney, please. All right, I really hate these things. These things are horrible, bro. Everything here is a scam. The food is expensive, and I think I've almost been run over by a double stroller at least like 7 times in the span of just today. These moms do not care where they're going, and if you don't move out of their way, they will run you over. They will run you over. Your kids can walk; their legs work. Make them walk. They could probably use the extra exercise, get off some of that flub, you know. But
Or the obesity.
we're gonna stop the obesity epidemic by destroying strollers one by one. So, please join me. There's gonna be a petition in the link below. Sign it for banning strollers from Disney World. Yeah, this is a real movement.
Adrian, out.
Yep.
Okay. All right, Adrian. How are we feeling about this petition that's going around about you? It's gotten some pretty good attraction.
I really was just making a joke. I didn't think this petition was actually gonna get made.
Let's go. We are on a safari. Let's see what animals we will be able to see. I'm excited. Clarence Nation. We are currently at the Lion King musical type deal thing. I don't know what it is, but it's supposed to be really good, so I'll let you know how it is.
Everyone, listen.
Those are animals. I thought they looked a little realer.
This thing!
Timon! The lad you can make! We can't have this celebration without you! Don't worry, friend! You'll get your time in the spotlight! Oh, I just can't wait to be king! Love your program! What are you?
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Look, everyone, it's the Lion King! Welcome, Simba! You're right on time!
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go! Let the creature go for round and sing. Let's hear it in the herd and on the wing. On the wing. It's gonna be King Simba's finest.
Simba's finest fling!
Oh, I just can't wait.
Come on, everybody!
All together now. 1, 2, 3.
To be king!
Intermission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside. That's enough. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet. Thank you, Maestro. If you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do the solo. Hakuna.
Prepare for the coup of the century! Be prepared for the murkiest scam! Meticulous planning.
Clarence Nation. I'm low-key pulling off the mom vibe with the fanny. We're at Starbucks. The shoes. Kind of cute, actually. Cute little fit.
Cute little fanny pack, first time pin. Claire, show yours. First time.
First time. Okay, we're getting out of Starbucks. Currently, me and Nicole are just walking around. I think we're gonna go do Expedition Everest again. Yeah, it was super fun. Clarence Nation, we are currently in line to go on the Avatar ride. I've kind of lost my voice a little bit. I was screaming a lot on the Expedition Everest, but yeah. Okay, we just went on the Avatar ride. Low-key, it was good, but it was kind of like Soarin', but I don't think it was worth the hour wait or whatever.
Maybe half hour.
Like it was chill, but I don't know.
We also
I would-
hang on, give me the mic. We also don't know Avatar. Disclaimer: we don't know Avatar that well, so it might be cooler if you're really invested in the movies. But if you haven't seen it, I don't know if it was like that worth the long wait. Here you go.
Honestly, you didn't really need the lore to get the ride. It was pretty chill. Like, it was just a bunch of dragons, you know? Yeah.
The queue, very stupid.
I did not like the queue. Very poor acting by whatever scientist was talking to us the whole time. He did not know his lines, and I didn't like the way he speaked. He was not well spoken. That's all I have to say.
But basically, I would rather spend that hour waiting. No!
Put that on Clarence Nation.
I think I broke another mic. I don't know if it's still on. But Loki, I'd rather spend that hour waiting for like Expedition Everest than Avatar. Okay, peace out, Clarence Nation. Don't worry, the mic still works. We are doing right. We are going to find a bathroom, and then we are making our way to the buses. And then, yeah, our Disney trip is over. The buses will take us to the Stanford Airport, which is like about an hour away. And then
Get on the plane.
yeah, we get on the plane, go home. Should be home around like 10:30.
Going home to snow.
Yeah, it's supposed to be snowing. But Nicole's parents are gonna drive me home. Woo! I lied. Nicole's mom and sister will drive me home. Woo! Second shout out of the Disney trip. Okay, peace out. Okay, Clarence Nation. We are at the airport. I don't know how long we're chilling for, but they're supposed to give us a box. Ooh. They're supposed to give us a box dinner. I'll update you when I know what it is, but we see the plane, but none of our suitcases are getting unloaded. So it might be a minute, or two, or three, or an hour. We'll figure it out. Guys, this is crazy. They're putting out a whole crew for us. Okay, Clarence Nation. This is our dinner. We got 2 sandwiches, a cookie, chips, and a salad. But we are on the plane. I'll see you when we land. Clarence Nation, it is 10:45. We landed in Iowa, and it is snowing. Bro. Okay, Clarence Nation, thanks for joining us for these 6 Disney vlogs. If you like this, leave a thumbs up.
And go look at Claire's Instagram.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
For more content.
The Instagram is Claire_something something.
Go find it.